Electric fireplace heater units with a dedicated circuit must have arc fault circuit interrupter or AFCI protection. Article 210.12b of the National Electrical Code, or NEC, requires AFCI protection for all 120 volt, 15 amp and 20 amp branch circuits that supply bedroom outlets. Article 680.23 exempts electric space heating equipment from AFCI protection if it is dedicated to the heating equipment and does not supply any other outlets. However, the exception in Article 680.23 does not apply to dedicated circuits that supply electric fireplace heater units. Electric fireplace heater units are considered fixed appliances under the NEC. Fixed appliances are required to have AFCI protection under Article 210.12b. Therefore, dedicated circuits supplying electric fireplace heater units must have AFCI protection. When installing these circuits, it is important to use either AFCI circuit breakers or AFCI receptacles for the dedicated circuits. Be sure to verify the amperage rating of the electric fireplace heater unit and ensure the dedicated circuit is sized appropriately to handle the load. Always follow all manufacturer's instructions for proper installation and operation of the electric fireplace heater unit.